Here we have a 71 plate Ford Transit Custom 300 EcoBlue Limited. Now this vehicle comes with the silver exterior paintwork. We do have the LED daytime running headlights, the big Ford badge in the centre of the front grille. Coming around to the driver's side, you'll then find the 16-inch wheels. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows. We also have front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle. If we take a quick look at the interior now, so inside of here you'll find we have the 3 seats. Both these outer seats are heated. There's a look at them. We have the armrest as well, foldable armrest in the centre. Just take a seat inside, you'll find the automatic lights down there. We then have the multifunctional steering wheel in front of us. We also have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. Put a foot on the clutch and then turn the vehicle on. You'll find we have the volume buttons along with the cruise control and speedometer here on the left, phone connectivity there on the right. Dashboard is free from any warning lights, as you can see. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. It's currently showing the radio stations. If we go on to source, you'll also find the different options with the Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. We then have the mobile apps as well. Onto the settings, and you find even further features which you can scroll through just like so. We then have the climate control just down here, has the heated seat buttons on either side, and also the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do, as you can see just here. We then have a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, 6-speed manual gearbox. Put it into reverse and you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into neutral. You also have a 12-volt and a USB just down there as well. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Transit Custom. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fire up the steering to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the volume buttons here on the left hand side, along with the speedometer and the cruise control. You then have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, which will show different bits of information. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any knocks or banks. Now we do also have the heated seats at the front. Both the outer seat, the driver's seat and the far passenger seat are both heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. They're also really comfortable, easy to do plenty of miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. You then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty of other features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We do also have the climate control below there with the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. 6-speed manual gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears. We also have plenty of cup holders from the vehicle. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so we put our right indicator on now. We're going to slow down, wait for this car to go past, and then we're going to take the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes. Put the car into reverse, we've got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into first with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries of you. That's all for me today though, cheers.